Namaskar friends. Today we shall be studying a retrograde movement of the planets. Retrograde meaning planet is moving in the opposite direction of its usual direction of revolution. Actually, no planet moves in the opposite direction of its natural direction of revolution. I'll repeat, no planet moves in the opposite direction of its natural direction of revolution. But when we are looking at the planet from Earth, the planet seems to be moving in the opposite direction. It seems to be moving in the opposite direction. That is what is retrograde movement of the planet. Let us understand the basics. While traveling on a train, we see trees, poles, stations moving in the opposite direction. Actually, they are fixed at their own position, but sitting in the train, we feel they are moving backwards. So it is an optical illusion. This is the experience about one fixed and one moving object. Let us see experience about two moving objects. There are two cars traveling from Nagpur to Akola. One yellow car and the second black one in which we are sitting. Both are moving towards a common destination, that is Akola. Till Amravati, both cars have same speed, so it seems as if both cars are stationary. But after Amravati, our car speed is increased and we feel as if the yellow car is moving backwards. This again is an optical illusion. Both are going in the same direction towards the destination. Now let us study retrograde movement of the internal planets. Venus, Mercury are known to be internal planets because their path of revolution around Sun is inside the Earth's path of revolution. In this slide, we'll see retrograde movement of Venus. When Venus and Earth are at position 1, from Earth, Venus is seen in Aries. From position 2, Venus is seen in Cancer. From position 3, Venus is seen in Gemini. So it's moving backwards from Cancer to Gemini. From position 4, Venus is seen in Taurus. So it has moved from Cancer to Gemini and Gemini to Taurus. This is called the retrograde movement of the planet. While revolving around the Sun, Venus and Earth come at position 5, then Venus is seen in constellation Leo. So now it has moved ahead. This is the retrograde movement of the internal planet Venus. Let us study the retrograde movement of external planets. Planets whose path of revolution around the sun are beyond Earth's path of revolution. Mars, Jupiter and Saturn are the external planets. In this slide we will see Earth and Jupiter's movement. When Earth and Jupiter are at position 1, Jupiter is in Sagittarius constellation, around 20 degrees in Sagittarius. While revolving around the sun, both planets come at position 2. From Earth, Jupiter is seen in Sagittarius, but about 10 degrees in Sagittarius. So it has moved backwards about 10 degrees. So this is called the retrograde movement of the planet. When Earth and Jupiter come at position 3, from Earth, Jupiter seems to be in Capricorn. So now it has moved ahead. This is the retrograde movement of the planet Jupiter. Now let's see the retrograde frequency and retrograde period of different planets. Mercury, which is closest to the sun, goes with retrograde 3 to 4 times in a year with a period of around 20-21 days. Venus gets retrograde once in 18 months and the period is 40 days. Mars becomes retrograde once in 26 months and it stays retrograde for a period of 60 days. Jupiter once a year with a period of 120 days. Saturn again once a year with a period of 150 days. So now you would have understood what is a retrograde movement of the planets. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit bell icon so that you will get notifications. Thank you.